You're too slow. I'm so sorry, little man.
My hands are boy. Okay, we'll take the hood off. Okay. Him doesn't like it. Him doesn't like the hood. Him doesn't like it. Oh, come here.
Oh, it hurts.
There you go. There you go. That's out of your face. There you go, baby.
Oh yeah, that made all the difference. Hey, Giles.
You look like a lion.
Do you hate Mama? Mama T? Giles. Can't move.
He can't move.
There you go, little man. Protest it. Oh, I know it. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Mama ain't right. Would you get your hand out of there?
Give me my puppy. You just quit being mean. He's just fine. Yeah, I'm warm. I'm warm. You're worried about me getting cold. I ain't gonna get cold.
I'm so sorry. Look at that.
Yeah. He's a bulldog. He's always got a sad face. Shut up.
Oh. Not sad. That one. Put it down. Let me walk around again. Oh, come on.
I'm a warm puppy. I'm warm.
Come on.
Yes, I am. I'm so warm.
Let me walk around. Come on. Come on, put him down. Let me walk around. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. What are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
I'm throwing a fit, Mom. Said I want it on, Mom. Baby, just hokey pokey.
It's still a little big on it. Quit laughing.
I know, little man. I'm so sorry.
Put his head back on it. It's so cute.
No. I know, little man. She's crazy with all the clothes.
It keeps him warm.
Yeah, but he's gotta look like that. Oh.
It just matters that he's warm.
I have tears. He prances with it on.
That's right. So I had Sir Giles. I deserve a fur coat.